I'm Tracy, and I agreed to take a pie in the face for Jacob since he reached a milestone in his grant.
Yeah.
Are you ready? It's all still in there. You didn't get it. Okay.
You will be doing mine. You will be doing mine.
Okay, it says Jacob did reach his grant and has exceeded it. Colleen and Anna have also agreed to take a pie in the face too. Alright, your turn, Anna.
No, because I'm last.
No, you're not.
You're right now.
You are right now.
Hurry up,
Ready?
y'all. More than halfway through.
No!
And it does Trace.
I can't open
Your
my
turn,
eyes.
Don't get it in my hair.
Ah.
Do not get it in my hair. Watch out, Nanny.
Mom, I
Alright,
can't
Anna.
open my eyes.
Are you doing Colleen?
I can't open my eyes.
Here. Here. Take it.
I can't open
There.
my
Yeah, you can. Wipe your eyes out.
I can't.